are on top. There's the first take on the index, well in the green, Nifty at 19,512, so conquering that milestone, up about 70 odd points. The Sensex is up almost 200 points, so very strong start. I mean, a good start to the markets, you'll have to say. The mid-cap index is better, up 0.5%, 200 points in the green for the mid-cap index. The stocks that are leading from the front is Tata Steel, Eicher Motors. We were telling you about how both Royal Enfield as well as the commercial vehicle piece has done very well this month. Eicher Motors in the green. The Adani Ports, JSW Steel, L&T, even Hero MotoCorp numbers were better than what the street was estimating. So that one is up over 1%. Apart from that, Hindalco, NTPC, HDFC Bank are a couple of other stocks that are in the green this morning. And M&M, that one has been hitting fresh record highs. So M&M up almost about 0.7%. On the downside, you have Bharti Airtel, that's down about 0.2%. ICICI Bank, BPCL, Tata Consumer Products, and Asian Paints, just a tad bit soft really on Asian Paints, absolutely flat. Infosys, Britannia also just in flat terrain. But otherwise, it's not a bad opening for the market at all. 19,500 is here. The advance decline ratio is well in favor of the advances as we speak. And plenty of stocks in the broader market. Geo Financial Services, by the way, is up almost 4% odd. So looking pretty good there, and lots more to talk about.
Well, that's right, Sonia. A lot of stocks moving around. RBNL, they've received a letter of acceptance from the Madhya Gujarat Vij company. So that stock is in focus. The project cost is close to around 322 crores. Street likes that. JMR Power, the company is updates on the smart metering e-tenders that were floated by the UP Discom, amounting close to around 5,000 crores approximately. So that one as well should come up for you on the screen. JMR Power. Besides that, even these, e-metering or smart meter players, whether it's Genius Power, whether it's HPL, both of them locked in upper circuit. You can't trade them in the first few minutes itself. GMR Power, by the way, is up close to around 19%. It's up, it's locked now, 20%. So big move out there. IDBI Bank as well is higher in today's trading session. Volume is very, very high, 7.5% higher out there. On the flip side, a few losers as well should come up for you on the screen. Just get a few of them up. You have Berger Paints is a little bit lower. Sun TV has a good run. Well, that's open with a cut of close to 100%. But otherwise, a very, very good start. The Nifty holding around that 19,500 odd mark. Prashant.
Well, it's interesting to note that IDBI is up, right?
Yeah, 7%.
After the buzz, of course, has been there. We'll track this one. So 65 on IDBI as we speak. Well, let's just take a look at some of the stuff which is moving around. I mean, market breadth is pretty strong, out and out. Gainers far outnumbering declines. Rail stocks had a fantastic day last Friday, and they're following through, as Nigel was pointing out, RVNL, IRFC, etc. So big volumes and big gains. MTAR Tech did very well on last Thursday and Friday. It's up another 5% this morning. There is NMDC, I think we pointed out. RITES is up another 3% this morning. Idea has been crawling up. So 2.5% on Idea. Big volumes on that one to start the day. And Nazara, we highlighted 3.5%. Look at Jayaprakash Associates. I mean, back to 12 rupees, right? 7%. I think last 4-5 days, stocks moved up 30-40%. Midhani is up 5%, 431 on Midhani. Again, only reading out stuff with volumes at this point. Gensol Engineering is up 4%, 4.25%, 2,000 rupees on Gensol. And HPL and Genus, of course, I mean, they continue to run higher without a break. So just incredible. In 2 months, Genus basically has moved up from 170 when the GIC deal happened to, close to 300 now. Okay, let's just look at some losers as well. EIH Hotels had a big move on Friday. I think it was part of Nimesh's chatter list as well. It's around 5% today, 258, 259. But I can't see anything else with large volumes with significant price move on the downside. Nothing. I mean, it's 0.5%, less than 1% across the board at this point in time. So that's the market for you. 70 points higher on the Nifty. 19,505 is where we stand.